Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new here and you like a pond build or anything else pond related, please consider subscribing. That way you won't miss out on any future content. It's completely free of charge, doesn't cost you a penny. Do that by hitting the subscribe icon at the bottom right hand of your screen. And if you are returning, welcome back. Okay, so last week I managed to get the beams in for the roof. Didn't have a lot of time due to the bad weather, but I managed to get basically all the stud work completed now. So moving on, what I'm going to be doing is getting it all boarded in, waterproofed, and get the feather edge board done. I've had a lot of positive comments up until now. Some of them I'll show you up here. Just want to say that it really is appreciated. It's good to hear what you guys think, how you think things are going. Also getting a bit of advice from you as well. So moving forward, it's always good to hear from you. So any comments, drop them below. Yeah, and I'll take a look. Weather's looking dry this weekend, so hopefully I'll get quite a bit done. So yeah, without further ado, let's get out there, see what we can achieve. Okay, so it's Saturday morning. It's dry, a bit chilly, but I can work through that. See, last week I got all the stud work and the beams completed. This week, and I want to get this boarded in. So, plan is 9mm OSB on the outside, and then some breathable membrane, and then battens to attach the feather edge board. I did want to get the roof done first, but my polycarb panels haven't turned up, so I'm just going to crack on with the sides. Yeah, quite a bit to do there. Just want to address one other thing with the skimmer as well. Obviously we came up with a solution for the leak on the overflow last week. Another comment that I did have, I forgot to mention last week, was from Daz at Koipond. Suggested putting a bead of CT1 on all the joins, just to give it a bit of extra strength. Not so much strength, but a bit of peace of mind, because apparently they have been known to fail. So yeah, I'll be doing that as well, so thanks for that, Daz. Can't actually do anything at the moment because I'm just waiting for my 9mm OSB to turn up. It is in transit, so as soon as that gets there I can crack on. I've had another delivery though. Let's take you to the garage. This lot here, my rubber roof has turned up, so it's an EPDM rubber roof. I'll get that out in a bit and have a look. And 3 metre lengths of trim for the outside. So yeah, that's turned up. I've got my 18mm OSB there for the roof. So I've got everything I need for the roof apart from the polycarb panels, unfortunately. They're not going to be turning up this weekend, so like I say, I'll be getting on with the sides. So I'm just going to grab some breakfast while I'm waiting for this OSB to turn up, and then we'll get cracking. Right, OSB's turned up, membrane, and a few feather edge boards. So got enough to get cracking on with now. Took a little bit longer to get here than I'd anticipated, but still got a few hours. So yeah, gonna get measuring and get cracking. Yeah, definitely not the easiest job to do on your own, holding the boards and getting the first fixing in, but yeah, slowly getting there. Crack on. Okay, so it's Sunday. Once again, as always happens when I get a full Saturday on it, I got called away for something not pond related, so didn't get this boarding finished. Obviously Just got that side done, got this side done. Still need to do that bit at the back there. First off, what I'm gonna do before I do this side, I need to put some uprights along there. One there, and one at the back there, just to make it a little bit more tidy on the front with the feather edge board. So yeah, I've got probably, I don't know, 3 or 4 hours today. I want to get all this boarded in and get the breathable membrane in. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so that's the uprights in. Top as well there for the door frame. What that will just give me is be able to run the feather edge then up to the edge, so you won't see the end of the feather edge, if you know what I mean. Both sides there. So yeah, just what I'm going to do now is get the OSB on the front and then do that little back section up there on the top. Yeah, let's crack on. One little modification I've had to do, I've had to put another upright in there and on that side. Just put a couple of pieces in there. Not too bothered about the cooks, it's all going to be covered over. It's just something for the OSB to fit. Oh, yeah. Excuse the language. Just for the OSB to fix to that side. So yeah, get that side up now. Right, so there's the front done. Not too bad, quite happy with that. Ready for the membrane. Just got the back section to do now. Those 3 pieces and a little piece in the top corner there. Not looking too bad, to be honest. A couple of gaps here and there, but it's all going to be insulated anyway. Yep, hit that back piece. Right, that's all the OSB on for the sides. All done up top there. So there's a couple of gaps, but not too fussed about them. I'll probably just put some tape on the inside, insulation tape, before I insulate the inside fully. Yeah, all that's done. Oh, I keep smashing my head off that bloody beam. I should have made it higher. But, yeah, I quite like these uprights. I think it's going to give it a nice finish. If I could do something different now, looking at it, I probably would have done the same on this side. One there and one there. I can still do something like that. I'll just get it wrapped first in the membrane. I can look at it afterwards. Probably have another one there as well. I am going to need an upright in the middle because that's just above 2.4 metres. It's about 2.6. So save messing around with little pieces. I put an upright in the middle and have a 1200 and then the gap and then 1200, so I can just cut one board in two. And there's up the back. Not too, that bit there, the overhang. Obviously the roof will be over there. When it comes to painting it, I'll just paint the inside of that. So yeah, I'm going to get the breathable membrane on there. Okay, so that's the breathable membrane on. A few creases, but don't really matter. It's all going to be covered up. Dodge. Yeah. Obviously where you see the membrane there, that's where it's all going to be feather edged. On that side as well, obviously all the way around. I'm going to have a little think about what I'm going to do about these uprights. Like I say, I do want to probably stick a couple more in there just to work the feather edging. But yeah, we're getting there. I think one last thing I need to do today, obviously all this OSB is exposed to the elements inside. I've got some plastic damp proof sheeting. Just going to sling that over the top just so it keeps the OSB dry inside. But yeah, I'm quite happy with the results. Next job I think is going to be obviously getting them uprights on, get the feather edge board on, and hopefully my polycarb panels turn up. I can get the roof done. So yeah, we'll see. Right, there we go, temporary cover on. Like I say, it's just a temporary fix just to make sure no water gets in and soaks my OSB, so that'll do. We're due some rain this week, so definitely needed to put that on. So yeah, we're getting there. So I'm going to call it a day for now. Okay, so that's it for this one. Not bad with what I achieved this weekend. I was hoping to get a little bit more done, maybe starting a feather edge, but it is what it is. Still plenty of time. Next week, weather depending, we'll see what we end up doing, whether it be the roof or the feather edge. Yeah, we'll just see when we get there. Once again, if you haven't already subscribed, you can do that easily by hitting the subscribe link at the bottom right hand side of your screen. It doesn't cost you anything, completely free of charge, just means you won't miss out on any future content. Also, let me know what you think. Leave me a comment in the comments section. Let me know how you think things are going on, and also if there's anything you think I can improve on, yeah, just let me know below. Okay, I'm going to leave it for now, and hopefully see you again next time. Thanks for watching.